Hey everybody, it's Emily, and this is Emmylou Arts. Whoa, look at that slow motion wave. Sorry, I slowed this down so that I would have time for an intro, and now it just looks weird. So I'm showing you my journaling for the 16th, 17th, and 18th of May. So get out your journals or planners or whatever. I did want to show you guys that hollow stars jelly cover that's on my journal that I bought from Atellus Designs. I think she's in Texas, I want to say. And the button is from my friend Jamie. She sent it to me in a little package. So I did want to show you that cover because somebody had asked about it. I never see the jellies on her website, but you can get them, obviously. So I don't know. So for Saturday, okay. Oh, you guys, we just need to chat. So it's Monday now, and I'm doing this voiceover for the video, and I'm not gonna lie, I've had a couple blue moons, so buckle your seatbelt. So Saturday, I put in this rainbow with a cloud and a fat unicorn that Addie drew me, because I had to work. It was my work weekend, so I worked all weekend. And I put in that nurse life sticker. Somebody sent me that nursing sticker sheet, and I love it. So cute. And then I used some of those pony brown. I just like to call them pony brown. I don't know if that's what it is. Those stickers of like the really pissed off looking girl. Saturday was a trial, you guys. I just was irritated going into work, and then just like nothing would go right. Nothing was going right. And I don't know, if you're a nurse, you've like had those days. All your IVs go bad. Everyone needs help. Everyone needs something at the same time. And on those days, when you see someone sitting down, anyone, it could be someone that can't even stand up. Anyone sitting down just pisses you off, like annoys the living crap out of you. And I was just snappy. I was short with everybody because I was just pissed. I was like, ugh, just over it completely. So I put in those stickers, and that's not me. Like at work, I'm like the person that everyone can talk to. I feel like I'm like, I love to laugh. I like to listen to people. Everyone at work is my friend, I feel like. And I was just in a mood. And my Kathy is my friend, and was the charge nurse, and I just was very short with her, and I'm usually not at all. And so I woke up on Sunday, and I just felt so bad. And I texted the charge nurse phone, because I knew she was on that day, because I was coming in later in the afternoon, and I'm like, look, Kathy, I'm a turd, and I feel really bad. She's like, no worries, no worries. So, sometimes you just have those days. And I was sent that nurse booklet because when my friend sent me the notebook, the Chic Sparrow notebook cover, she included the nursing notebook, the sticker book, in with it. The Mambi Happy Planner Nurse Life sticker book. How sweet is that? I mean, you guys, just when I think you guys can't get any sweeter, you like just put an arrow through my heart. Like you want to murder me with love. And I love it. I can't love it enough. So basically I was just journaling about that. And I just wanted to remind myself not to get so invested in my own like self-righteous irritation that I don't ask for help, because help was offered to me, but I just like at that point I was so invested in being pissed off that I was like just wouldn't take it, So the lesson is don't do that. Don't be me on Saturday. But the good news is that everyone at work is my friend, and they were all like, dude, shut up, you're fine, so it just is what it is. We all have good days and bad days. So, on Sunday, it was a good day. The rest of the weekend was great. Saturday, I was just, like I had as my dad would say, a turd caught crosswise. But, okay, so the donkey with the cleaning supplies, like he's about ready to be in a showdown, I saved that from one of my son's journaling, scouting magazines, and I've been waiting to use it for the perfect moment. And Michael and the kids cleaned the house when I was at work on Sunday. He must have known. I must have had the look in my eyes of supreme, like,
you better do something right or mom's gonna fly off the fucking handle.
So I must have had that look because they cleaned the house while I was at work. And so I loved that collage. It was like, it's like the cowboy, like, about ready to draw his sprayer. Just reminded me of Michael. And then I just put in some washi strips from the Pig and Cat book. And then I decided to doodle a kawaii policeman because Sunday was like rainy and overcast and kind of cool, but the kids just wanted to play outside, and Michael had like just at the last second thrown into our online grocery order from Walmart these bubble guns. Like, not guns, but you know, like bubble shooter things where they've got the fan in it and it just blows bubbles. And so my kids went outside, and it was like raining, but they played Bubble Police. And it was just so funny because it's just a game that they made up called Bubble Police. And I don't know the rules. I don't think they know the rules. It's kind of like New Girl when they play Good American. No one knows the rules, but it's their game. And it's called Bubble Police. And so I just wanted to doodle a kawaii policeman because I thought that was super cute, and it had been days since I had doodled, so I decided to do that, and it looks a bit wonky, absolutely a bit wonky. And then I used my Arteza colored pencils to color it in, so I still do that. Coupon code is still good until the 28th, so I will link it below. And I do have to do another video because they just out of the blue sent me a couple more things, which was totally cool. I wasn't expecting it, and so we'll have to take a look at those and see what they are. So I doodled the policeman, and I gave him orange hair because I have an orange-haired kid named Henry, and I just love him, so that's awesome. And then some bubbles that don't really look like bubbles, but that's all right. And then I used my Posca paint pen to write Bubble Police, just to change it up a little bit. And then did like some drop shadow lettering with one of my Staedtler pens. And then I was just journaling with my vintage Sarasa. All this stuff I will try and link, if I can find it, down below. So, let's see, journaling, and then, I'm this shape sticker book. I've been using the crap out of that. Also something from you guys. You guys are just amazing, so I put that in there, and let's see, one of those little pony brown stickers of a girl in a raincoat, and one that says, "Please, no war." Watching them play games is just amazing. I love it. And then I put a girl that just looks exasperated down by the cleaning donkey so they could be outside for 2 hours playing Bubble Police, like just fine. But the minute that Michael, he's like, I asked him to help me clean the house, and they were like,
"Oh, we're just so tired. We just need to rest. It's our weekend."
I can hear it. I can hear it in my head. So that just made perfect sense. And then I put in that little collage of, let's see, it's on the left-hand side of the hands doing the with the butter and the flour. I don't cook, so I don't know what it's called, but Michael made sourdough biscuits because he's been totally into baking from this whole, I don't know, quarantine stuff. And he's made bread, but he decided to do biscuits, so that was kind of funny. I mean, funny and amazing. If getting fat is amazing, yes, which it is, then it was amazing, because I ate a lot of biscuits. And then I put a cat reading a book with a coffee cup up in the top corner. And then I printed out pictures of the kids and Michael because he sent me a picture while I was at work of them watching Back to the Future. They had a movie night. So I just stuck some movie stickers in there, movie themed stickers. And then just other random stickers because that's just what I do. And then a Hong and Ding sticker of him like riding a pink horse, which is, I don't know, just reminds me of spending a day with my children. Completely random and somewhat dangerous. So I pulled out a sticker that said today's plans, which I thought was super cute. And that is basically Sunday. I was only home for, like I said, the morning, but they had a full day and I was at work. So I put a washi strip down on Monday, and I was sent this washi. It's so cute. Where is it from? Oh, I think I've looked before and it doesn't have a name. I'm not sure. And then I hand lettered the Monday with an Ecoline brush pen, and I was sent these and they're beautiful. It says brilliant colors, concentrated formula. I used the magenta color, but when it dries it looks watercolory, like up close. It's so pretty. So I wrote Monday with those, and then I put in a little hung and ding sticker of him reading a book on a couch, like next to a little dog, and then a day off sticker and a Coffee Monday sticker. Those were on freebie sheets from things that you guys have sent me, and then stickers that I've ordered. And then I put in a rain because lo and behold, it was raining again. And a little sticker of, these are Positoon. I think that's what they're called. I feel like they change names on Amazon, so I'm not really sure. But they're linked below under cat stickers, maybe. But you can get them on Amazon, of a girl doing some work or reading a book or something with a cat on her lap. And I was just journaling about the morning. It was just one of those good mornings where the kids didn't fight us about doing school. No one was fighting. I mean, it's really not hard to have a good day. If it involves no yelling, then it's a good day, which shouldn't be that hard. But with an 8-year-old and a 10-year-old, it is hard. So, it was a good morning. It's a beautiful morning this morning. And then I put in a little strip of washi to separate the space, and a piece of collage from a Real Simple magazine of a girl I think she's painting, but it was supposed to signify me doing my journal catch-up, because that's what I did this morning, because I did not have time all weekend. So I was doing my journal catch-up, and while I was doing that, Henry wanted to read to me, because he loves to read to Addie, and lately she just has not been feeling it. So he was so sad about it the other night. He was bawling. So I was like, well, you can read to me. So he came and read to me while I did my journal. He was reading me Redwall, and it's one of his favorite books and series of books. So he was reading me that while I was journaling, and it was so cute. And so I put live audiobook. He's just, I just love him. And then I put the oh yay sticker, because anytime, your kid wants to spend time with you, it's a good day, right? And then a Sprocket picture down in the right-hand corner of Addie's loom project. She's still like weaving her tablet cover, and it's coming along, but it's getting hard because we don't have like the exact proper weaving tools. So it's slowing down a bit, but that's okay. And then I was just putting in extra stickers and then hearts, Mildliner hearts, because you can't go wrong with those. More Positoon stickers. Let's see, I'm just trying to tell you guys everything that was included. And then I put in a shape sticker over that just said that I was catching up on my journaling, which took a while because I just farted around and played with a lot of different stuff. So I hope you guys had a great weekend, or at least an okay weekend, and that you're, starting out the week all right. If not, we can turn it around. That's the great thing. I'll talk to you later. Bye.